Even though there is a pain in my body, and this pain in my body, I feel heavy for this pain. I really feel heavy for this pain. This pain is quite irritating for sometimes. I want to release this pain right now. I allow myself to release this pain from my body. I allow my body to release this pain right now. And I stop and focus on my breath. Now I feel that my pain is getting released right now. My pain is releasing right now. I am feeling so much relaxed. I feel so much relaxed at this point. I feel so much relaxed at this point. I am thankful to my body that allow me to release this pain, and I completely deeply accept myself. Take a deep breath and release, relax.